Hello fan collectors. Today I'm going to show you my Hunter Lansdowne series in polished brass. It's dated March of 1996 and sold at Lowe's. At least it was featured in Lowe's catalog. That's where I learned the name, the Lansdowne. It is very, very similar to the Hunter Villa I used to have here, but this one is not in as good a condition. And the light kit you see right here did not come with the fan. It's made by Hunter, so that's why I put it on there, but I don't know why it's not turning on here for some reason. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, anyway, it was working before, but anyway, I mean, it came with a different, more low-profile light kit, but it was messed up, and so I decided to put this one on there since I never had a chance to use it prior. Well, I take that back. I did put on a 44-inch Coastal Breeze, but anyway, let me show you. You can see the Hunter logo on there. Don't know where the tag is, but the other side of the blade is oak. Blades are a little bit warped. The oak side was kind of bad, so I decided to use the walnut. And I'll show you the blade arms. They have the more, they're open in the middle, unlike the one I had here prior. It was, they had the more the seashell type badges, which the top's pointed outward and these ones go inward. Let's see the shuttle light kit. There's the nose, and there has the boomerang shaped vents. There's the canopy. Show the blade right here. It's got the square tip blades, 52-inch diameter. And now it's time to rev it up. I'll start out on low. Has a little bit of a hum to it. I don't know. Probably needs a new capacitor, if anything. Medium. I'm going to put a new capacitor and blades on this fan. Because I have a spare set of 100 blades I got off eBay. Well, actually, I'm going to take the ones that I have in my Passport 3 and put them on this. It's a noisemaker, alright. See the shadow bounce off the wall. That's nice. And now we will bump it up to high. Pretty noisy for a Hunter. Runs pretty stable too. I mean, despite the fact that it's doing what it's doing. I miss having my Moss WF here, but this cranked out more air, but we'll power down. As you can see, it's wintertime, and dang, what's up with this light? Try now. Guess it's just, oh wow, oh, scared me a bit. Sheds a little light on the situation now. Huh. Sorry to alarm you folks, but Had to tweak it a little bit to get it to light. Can watch it spin down a little better. We are in the dead of winter and it is freezing out here. As you can see, the blades are in subpar shape. I got this fan because, well, these are my favorite hunters, type of hunters, and its sister was better, the Villa, mind you, the one with the spotlight kits I showed you in another video. I had to replace a capacitor in it. I don't know what it is with this breed of hunters that has bad capacitors. Somebody should probably tell me. Somebody could tell me anyway. It's got a good spin down time. Okay, fan has stopped. And see the blade right there? I don't know how that happened. I think it was like the guy before me. Don't know what the deal was. We can see the blade a little better. Yeah, see the top of the blade a little better. Let's take a look at the fan. Illuminated from a distance. And then I know some of you probably wondered, when am I going to do a video of this fan? Well, I finally did, and because I usually don't change out fans in this spot much, so I just acquired a Hunter Chesapeake white and polished brass, and I would like to put it where this one is, because I've had this one up for over a year now. November 2013, it's been here since, and it's about time for a new one. And here's the antique brass 1895, Emerson 1895, 52 inch. And if you notice, I put a different kind of light kit on it. I'm not going to cycle through the speeds on this one. I did that in another video. So you'll have to watch that one if you want to see me do that. But anyway, the light on this one, I know what you're thinking. It's the same style as the Hunter I showed you, but this is actually, it might be an Emerson, or if not, very, very similar to one Emerson manufactured in the 1980s. I have one of these new in the box in polished brass, but I put new bulbs in it, but somehow doesn't light up. Oh well. Anyway, I'm going to sign off now, and thank you for watching. More to come.